Okay, so members, now we are going to see how we handle enlargements. These are matrices that can change the shape of or the size of an object, or they can leave it the way it is. Now, here we are going to hear the word like scale factors so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, let us go to this. When a matrix of enlargement transforms an object, the object size can decrease, increase, or be maintained. A matrix of enlargement can be described by stating its scale factor and the center of enlargement. So to describe the matrix of enlargement, just state the scale factor used and then the center of enlargement. Note that the scale factor is equal to the image distance from the center over object distance from the center. We saw these things in the similarities last week. A matrix of enlargement with scale factor k about the origin is given by, this is how we state the matrix of transformation with scale factor k. So then, the center of enlargement. If A, x, y1 can be an object with A, B as its image. So if this is the object and this is the image, formed by enlarging it using a scale factor k about the center of enlargement cxy. Then k, we said that k, the scale factor, is equal to the image distance from the center over object distance from the center of enlargement. So now, remember our A, x1, y1 is an object, then A prime, x2, y2 is our image. So to get the scale factor, I need to get any of the relationship between this, and the center of enlargement, and the scale factor is this. We always get the image distance from the center. So if our center C is x, y, the image distance from the center, so this is our image, that's why you get y minus y2. This is the center, the coordinate for the center, minus the coordinate for the image, over the coordinate for the center minus the coordinate for the object. So object down, image up, the difference from the center. Also this one, this now x is the coordinate for the center, minus x2 for the image, I think you see, then over x1, x minus x1, the coordinate for the object as that. Let us see how do we use this. Using the enlargement scale factor, -2, the image of a point, so this is the point, is P prime, is find the center of enlargement. So there, in our solution, we just need to, first of all, know that this is our P, the object now for -7. So this one is going to be, we say the P, we give it, it's the object, we let it be x1, y1. Then P prime is our image, which is 1, 2. For it, it's going to be x2, y2. Then our center is x, y. So it's that our scale factor k, for it is C, negative from the equation. Scale factor is negative. Now, we just substitute these formulas. So, using this formula, y minus y2 over y minus y1 will be equal to k. So, this one is the coordinate for the center, this is the coordinate for the image, y coordinate. So, y now minus. Now the image coordinate for y is that it's going to be 2 over y minus the image coordinate of y from the object, which is -7. This would be k, but our k is -2. From here, to start, we shall have y minus 2 over y plus 7 equaling to -2. We are going to cross multiply there. Shall have y minus 2 equaling to -2 into y plus 7. So if we open brackets there, we have our y minus 2 equaling to -2y minus 14. So now, can I take this side? When I bring this y this side, I'm going to have 3y equaling to, when I take this side, I'll be having now negative, oh, this is going to be -14 Okay, plus 2. So allow me to write also here. So now my 3y is going to be negative 12 and my y is going to be negative 4 to divide. So now we have already our y coordinate. So can we get the x coordinate by stating still x minus x2 over x minus x1 equaling 2. Okay. So can we substitute x minus, this is the x coordinate of the image. So our x coordinate of the image is 1 over x minus the x coordinate of the object, which is 4, is equal to negative 2, the scale factor. So if we multiply still, we have x minus 1 equal to negative 2 into x minus 4. So if you have here, we are having x minus 1 equal to negative 2x now plus 8. If we open the brackets here, this is negative 2, then minus minus to give us a positive 2 times 4. That would be 8. So this side we have now x now plus 2, x equaling to 8 now. When 2 crosses equal signs, it becomes minus. So 3x equaling to 9, and so our x is 3. Therefore, our center of enlargement is xy, which is our x is 3, comma, our y was negative 4. That is our center of enlargement. With ease, and you are through. The same idea here is not by summarizing the equation. So they are giving us a negative 2, comma 3. Meaning that this is going to be, it's the object, so it's x1, y1. Then a prime, our a prime here, they are giving us a prime as 2, comma 7. Meaning this is going to be x2, y2. Then our k, the scale factor, is 3. So if we make our center now be x, comma y, we just substitute into the formula. So now y minus y2 over y minus y1 will be equal to k. So can you substitute? Y is from the center, so we are looking for this. So y minus our y equal to 7 over y minus 3 will give us a 3k. This is 3. So if you cross multiply there, we have y minus 7 equal to 3 into y minus 3. Open in brackets, we have y minus 7 equal to 3y minus 9. When you open. So allow me to take y this side and bring this side. So we have negative 7 now plus 9 equal to 3y minus y. When I take this side, so this side we are having 2 equal to 2y. And start from there. My 1 is going to be y. I divide through. But now I come here and I declare my x coordinate, which will be a 3. So if I substitute, I have x minus x2, the x coordinate of the image, which is 2, over x minus x, this is x1, sorry, x1, the object coordinate, minus 2 will be equal to 3. This will be now x minus 2 equal to 3 over x plus 2. So when I cross multiply, I have x minus 3 equal to 3x plus 6. So when I bring this side, I'll be having now it's negative 2. This is negative 2, sorry. Okay, this is negative 2. So when I bring this beside I have negative 2 and 6 equal to 3x minus x. So from there, is that I have negative 8. When I simplify this, equal to x. Divided by 2, my negative 4 is equal to x. Remember my center was x, comma, y. So now my center is going to be negative 4, comma, y was a 1. So that becomes the answer. So that's how you get the center of enlargement. Members, now we are going to see how can you get using a graphical method.